Hi you all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Meccah, and today's a super incredible day. It is my 1 year lock update, and it's just purely visual today. I wanted to kind of voice over because I wanted to really dig into the why and why this journey has been so relevant and so substantial in my life, So I started my locks March 1st, 2020, with the help of my mother who installed them. And at this point in my life, if you're not familiar with the story or familiar with me at all, I was a few months into a very rough separation from my now ex-husband, and just horribly depressed. My self-esteem had taken hits. My financial situation was a mess. And I literally was living in the spare office my mom had in her apartment. And so I don't know if I even knew it at the time, but starting my locks and restarting, to these particular set of locks was a practice that would help pull me out of the space I was in ways I didn't even think it could. Just tending to my hair and starting to take care of myself and paying attention to the little changes that happened every month, and, watching myself transform. Because, I just didn't pay attention to that type of stuff. And especially when you're going through something heavy, you can easily start neglecting yourself. And so on this journey, on this MICROLOC journey, I feel like I poured so much energy back into myself that I needed and that I was missing. And, like I always say, it's so much more than just hair. And this was just really a ritual for me that frankly restored my sanity. And I am so grateful for all the women that inspired my journey, and for making it this long, and just for proving this thing to myself. I'm 23. It's hard to be consistent. I did it. I made it to a year. I wanted to make it to a year, and I have so much ahead of me for my hair, so much I'm excited to see. But this has just been an affirmation for me, a win, a journey in the truest sense. And I'm so glad I could share with you all so far, and I'm so excited to continue sharing it and to continue just watching myself evolve, and my hair being one of the antennas, for that, and for my spirit, and whoever's drawn to that. Like I said, I'm so grateful. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video, and hopefully you guys can see the changes. I think they're pretty obvious. And it's just been so fun. And if you're at a crossroads in your life and you have the option to make some sort of a drastic change, don't be afraid. Just jump in, and I promise it'll be worthwhile for you. I'm proof. I didn't think I would be where I am now, in a new city, in a place of my own, making the most money I have in my young adult life. My life did a complete 180? Is that the rotation? I don't know, but a complete flip for the better. And just, again, I'm so grateful, and I'm so excited, and my hair is thickening up. I'm claiming that it's only going to get stronger and healthier and more luscious, and continue being, an energy center for me, and a creative outlet, frankly. And I'm going to keep you guys posted on the changes that continue, a year in and then a lifetime to go, frankly. so much for tuning in to my 1-year visual lock update. More details to come in the next couple month updates, but just wanted to kind of talk and be vulnerable and show you guys, you know, the highlights of this past year and the highlights of this journey. And I'm in such a good space today. It's my official lock anniversary right now as I'm filming this portion of the video. It's March 1st, 2021, and yeah, I'm so excited. So if you guys enjoyed this, please stay tuned for more videos and subscribe if you want to support. Thanks.